Good morning, children. Yesterday I had read Balance in Nature. Today, let me explain it to you in details. When there is balance in nature, that means balance has to be between plants and animals. Because plants depend on animals, animals depend on plants for their living. Now, suppose the number of plants increases. Alright, what will happen? The animals breathe out carbon dioxide, which the plant takes in for photosynthesis. Now, number of plants is very much more and animals are less. So the amount of carbon dioxide will be less in the air. It will be insufficient. So all plants will not be able to breathe. Will not be able to make their food. So here it will become imbalance. Now suppose if the number of animals increases, what does the plant do for the animals? The plant provides food and oxygen. There are too many animals on the earth. Plants have become very less. So the amount of food will be less, amount of oxygen will be less. Both food and oxygen which the plant provides to the animals will become insufficient. So again the balance will be disturbed. So the plants and animals has to remain in proper number so that they are sufficient for each other. Now, what are the things that disturbs the balance in nature? It is mainly the human activities. We human beings disturb the nature most. How? By cutting down trees. We cut down trees without any reason. We make buildings, constructions which cut off the nature, and these things are set up. Mining is done. Mining also disturbs the nature. So it is the human being who creates the imbalance in nature. So we human being have to be very much alert as to what we are doing, what harm we are doing to the nature. I hope you have understood this balance in nature. Now, so this chapter, the second chapter, explanation is over. I will give you to do some diagrams. First diagram that you will do is this one. How you can identify the presence of starch in a leaf. This is your first diagram. Next, I have already told you to draw a leaf and level it. I hope you have done it. Your next diagram will be the mushrooms and the three types of insectivorous plants. Next, you will also draw this diagram of interdependence between plants and animals. Before we start our exercise, which we will do tomorrow, let us finish off with this. This is answer in one word. A substance which is responsible for the green color of the leaves, it is the chlorophyll. Food prepared by the plants is stored in this form, starch. Tiny opening in the leaf for performing exchange of gases in plants, stomata. A non-green plant that feeds on dead and decaying plants and animals for food are mushrooms. Thank you, children.